I'm Anthony from Car Candy. Today we're going to be using Car Candy Eradicator, Enzyme Carpet Spotter, and Stain Remover. Let me demonstrate to you how to use this product. Before using Eradicator, you want to ensure that all loose debris has been removed from the surface that you're going to be treating. Simply spray, saturate any heavier stained areas. Once you're done spraying, you want to allow this product to dwell 2 to 3 minutes. Now that we've allowed our Eradicator to dwell on the surface for 2 to 3 minutes, we're going to go in there and agitate it. This product's great for removing any organic stains from children, pets, outdoor activities. Simply scrub the surface, and I like to take a towel when I'm done and go back over. This product is ready to use, so there's no dilution required, and also has a great odor left behind. Thank you for watching the video on how to use Car Candy Eradicator. If you'd like to know more about this product or to order, please visit our website and be sure to check us out on social media platforms.